All right. First thing on the menu, this godforsaken long sleeve. These can be a pain depending on the size of your shirts, what type of shirts. Obviously, these are long sleeve, pretty standard issue cotton. These are going to be tight, but I'm going to show you guys how to navigate that. Alright. And this is going to take most of the morning. It's all good. These long sleeves, man. What sleeve is it? Face down, yep. I had to put a little border here, a little border over the image for the point of contact from the sleeve. You're pressing over and over. You're making indentations. You're making indentations over and over, and you don't want to tear your screen up printing these things. So I like to put a little border here to protect the screen and protect the garment. Long sleeves. These doggone long sleeves take a long time too. Long sleeves, man. These long sleeves can be a real pain. We run these, man. Your pallet glue is your best friend. I prefer to use pallet glue over spray tack most of the time, but definitely on these long sleeves, you want to use pallet glue, and you want to use it very sparingly. Because as hard as they are to load, they're even harder to offload. So you want to be mindful of that and not glue these down too much so your offloader doesn't have such a hard time. See, barely put a dot on there. And then I focus on the top half because my bottom half is already pretty sticky. Yeah, it's a little dot. This is the last time. Early in the morning with this really stiff ink, stiff and cold ink. Start with a nice slow stroke. This is slow. Didn't clear very well. After a few more test prints, that'll work itself out. The image pretty much the middle. How we look? How we look? Alright. So how about a test print? How about a real one? Sorry?
Looks like one screen.
One screen, hell yeah. That's the goal. Uh-oh. Oops. Left sleeve. Left sleeve, they want it kind of in the middle. That might be it right there. Let's see. Long sleeves, make sure you got cardboard down when you run them. You don't want the sleeves to get all dirty. That's no good for your customers, is it? This one's good. Yeah, tape. You put put a piece of tape on it.
It seems like a little gold book. I'm gonna just get some of that.
Okay.
I didn't want to split that shit
Okay. It's good to me. We could probably, we probably don't have to, but probably go down a little. You guys can see this little edge here. It's not a huge deal. I mean, it's definitely passable, but if you can make something look better, you might as well do it. Usually you can tell on the screen which way it needs to go. They look like up, actually. Come up without microwave. It was since it was such a I mean, since it barely needs to move. If I need to go up, I'll just move it up without unlocking the micro adjustments. We should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and run a couple of these just to show you how these long sleeves go. But the location, let's see how the location looks. Not bad. It needs to come down a little bit though, actually. That's okay. Sir. Sir.